Stephen from Bellwether here. Today we're going to be talking about siding manufacturer warranties and Bellwether's workmanship warranty. So depending on the product that you're using, you're going to have a manufacturer's warranty that applies specifically to the products that are placed on your house. For instance, James Hardie on their siding profiles has a 30-year non-prorated warranty, and on their trim they have a 15-year non-prorated warranty. Other companies have prorated warranties, meaning that usually after about a 15-year period, now you're only going to get the partial value of the product if there's any deterioration or defect related to the material. When it comes to workmanship or the quality installation, that is protected at Bellwether by a double lifetime warranty, meaning you get a warranty for the lifetime as the owner, and it is one-time transferable to the next owner. I think it's the most generous warranty you're going to find in any market anywhere in terms of guaranteeing that the workmanship is up to best practice standards.